Welcome to an essential guide on the best car interior cleaning products. Maintaining a clean and pristine car interior is a priority for every car owner. In this video, we'll explore the top-notch cleaning products that will help you achieve a spotless and fresh interior. Whether you're tackling stubborn stains, eliminating odors, or simply looking to restore that new car feel, we got you covered. Get ready to discover the ultimate solutions for a sparkling, inviting car interior. At the first position of our list, we have the Car Guys Super Cleaner, a powerful and versatile solution for all your automotive cleaning needs. This advanced formula is designed to tackle the toughest dirt and stains on your vehicle's interior and exterior, making it look as good as new. Car Guys Super Cleaner is perfect for removing stubborn stains from your car's upholstery, carpet, and leather seats. It can also be used to clean and restore the shine to your car's exterior surfaces, such as rims, tires, and even the engine bay. With its gentle yet effective cleaning action, it won't damage or fade your car's surfaces. What sets Car Guys Super Cleaner apart is its ability to clean without leaving any residue or streaks. It dries quickly, leaving a clean, fresh scent behind. Whether you're dealing with coffee spills, food stains, or dirt and grime from daily driving, this cleaner is your go-to solution. Not only is Car Guys Super Cleaner great for cars, but it can also be used on boats, motorcycles, and even around the house. It's a versatile all-in-one cleaning solution that makes your cleaning tasks easier and more efficient. Say goodbye to multiple cleaning products cluttering your garage. Experience the Car Guys Super Cleaner's exceptional cleaning power and the convenience it brings to your car care routine. Keep your ride looking pristine with this high-performance cleaner that takes the hard work out of detailing. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Chemical Guys InnerClean Interior Quik Detailer. Chemical Guys InnerClean Interior Quik Detailer is the ultimate solution for maintaining a clean and fresh interior in your car. It's the perfect way to keep your dashboard, seats, and other interior surfaces looking like new without spending hours on detailed cleaning. This quick detailer is specially formulated to provide a matte finish, eliminating any unwanted shine or glare on your dashboard and panels. It not only cleans, but also provides UV protection to prevent fading and cracking of interior materials. This ensures your car's interior remains in top-notch condition. What sets InnerClean apart is its anti-static formula, which helps repel dust, keeping your interior cleaner for longer periods. It's also safe for use on a wide range of materials, including plastic, vinyl, rubber, and even leather. So you can use it on all interior surfaces without worrying about damage. The easy-to-use spray application allows for a quick and efficient cleaning process. Just spray and wipe, and you'll be left with a clean and refreshed interior that's free from dust, dirt, and fingerprints. The pleasant scent adds a touch of freshness to your car's cabin, making each drive more enjoyable. The number 3 position is held by 303 Products Matte Finish UV Protectant Spray. Preserve the pristine matte finish of your car's exterior and interior surfaces with 303 Products Matte Finish UV Protectant Spray. This advanced formula is designed to protect and rejuvenate matte finishes, ensuring your vehicle maintains its original look. Matte finishes have become increasingly popular in the automotive industry, but they can be vulnerable to fading and damage from UV rays and the elements. 303 Products Matte Finish UV Protectant Spray is the solution to keep your matte surfaces looking their best. This protectant spray offers superior UV protection, preventing the matte finish from becoming dull or discolored over time. It also acts as a shield against environmental contaminants, ensuring that dirt, dust, and other particles are easily repelled. This makes cleaning and maintenance a breeze. One of the key features of this product is its easy application. Simply spray it onto the desired surface, and it dries quickly, leaving behind a non-greasy, non-reflective finish. This means your matte surfaces won't attract excess attention, making it ideal for car enthusiasts who prefer a sleek and understated look. 303 Products Matte Finish UV Protectant Spray is not limited to cars. It can be used on various matte finished surfaces, such as motorcycles, ATVs, and even household items like electronics and appliances. It provides long-lasting protection, helping you maintain the beauty of matte surfaces for years to come. Next at number 4 we have Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer. When it comes to maintaining the interior of your car, Meguiar's Quik Interior Detailer is the go-to product for a fast and effective clean. Whether you're dealing with dusty dashboards, smudged screens, or stained upholstery, this interior detailer has got you covered. This versatile product is designed to clean, protect, and maintain your car's interior surfaces in one easy step. It features an anti-static formula that helps repel dust and keeps your car looking cleaner for longer. This is especially useful for areas like the dashboard, where dust tends to accumulate. Meguiar's Quik interior detailer is safe for use on a wide range of surfaces, including plastic, vinyl, leather, and even navigation screens. It removes fingerprints, smudges, and light dirt, leaving a clean and refreshed interior behind. The non-greasy formula ensures a clean and matte finish without any residue. One of the standout features of this product is its built-in UV protection. It helps shield your interior from the harmful effects of the sun, preventing fading, cracking, and aging of the materials. This is particularly important for leather and vinyl surfaces that can be susceptible to UV damage. The convenient spray and wipe application makes it easy to maintain your car's interior, even on the go. Meguiar's Quik interior detailer is a must-have for car enthusiasts who want to keep their vehicle looking its best without investing hours in detailing. The number 5 position is held by Total Lax Ice Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Total Lax Ice Interior Cleaner and Protectant is your solution for achieving a showroom-quality, clean, and protected car interior. This versatile product is perfect for enthusiasts who want their car's interior to shine as brightly as the exterior. One of the standout features of this cleaner is its ease of use. It's a one-step solution for cleaning and protecting your car's interior surfaces. It effortlessly removes dirt, dust, and grime from plastic, vinyl, rubber, and even leather. With its quick application, you can enjoy a spotless interior without the hassle. Total Lax Ice Interior Cleaner and Protectant goes beyond cleaning by providing long-lasting protection. It creates a protective barrier that guards against UV rays, preventing fading and damage to your interior materials. This means your car's interior will look and feel like new for years to come. The anti-static formula ensures that your interior remains dust-free for longer periods, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. It also leaves a refreshing, clean scent behind, making your car's cabin a more pleasant place to be. Whether you're an automotive enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a clean and well-protected car interior, Total Lax Ice Interior Cleaner and Protectant is your essential tool for achieving a polished and pristine look. Make every drive a pleasurable experience with a well-maintained and protected interior. And there you have it, a comprehensive roundup of the finest car interior cleaning products. From powerful stain removers to gentle yet effective upholstery cleaners, these products ensure your car's interior remains in top-notch condition. Don't forget to check the description below for links to these incredible products. Thanks for joining us, and here's to a clean and pristine car interior that you can be proud of.